Hey guys, welcome to NFT Collection Maker. So, what is NFT Collection Maker? NFT Collection Maker is a blockchain agnostic, so you can use it to make massive NFT art collections for Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, Polygon, Phantom, etc. If you are following crypto Twitter artists and influencers, you may have heard about some of them, but in general, all of those sales are happening under the radar of mainstream media. The even crazier thing is that the some of those collections have surprisingly very basic art, including many collections with art that the fifth grader could easily make after school. So it is just not about the art details, but rather than the basic idea behind it. Your goal is simple as keeping your collection open for sales until it's sold out of nobody. Of course, nobody can promise that art from your collection will actually sell. You may sell anything at all simply because it depends on interest in your NFT art and your own effort. NFT collection maker. On the other hand, the fact that is NFTs are the fastest growing sector of blockchain with top consumer brand and move industry jumping on board with their own NFTs OpenSea. The number one NFT market has become recently also number one consumer of Ethereum gas fees. It means that NFTs are literally dominating the Ethereum blockchain transactions by volume. The time to jump on the NFT bandwagon is now, but now you can even do it. As well as it may sound, the main problem with having an NFT collection for sale is not creating the base art itself. The main problem people have is the technology required for generating a collection of 100% unique pieces and having their own NFT Ethereum contract created. Ask yourself, could you make thousands of art for sales manually? Very unlikely, even if you could decide to spend months on manually creating it. How would you ensure that all of the art pieces are 100% unique and none of them is same as the same other? It's practically impossible to do manually. This is why agency creating those collections charge an arm and leg for their services. We thought that had a better way introducing NFT collection maker. Here's how easy artwork collection generation with NFT collection maker. Step 1, create categories and upload the bases. Step 2, generate preview. Step 3, export collections. In NFT collection maker, TTCAL technologies light years ahead of competition and all updates are included, so you can also always have the latest version. This is why you can be access will be created immediately and you will find everything waiting for you inside. So grab it now. If you purchase from my link, I am going to provide you free ebook. So just contact me on my Instagram ID, send me a screenshot of your payment proof that you have purchased the product through my link. I'll send you the ebook link. I have attached the Best Buy link in the description box. I have also attached the demo video in the description box. Thank you.